only like 500 more to make.
Ooh, YouTube thumbnail. Hi guys.
So since I have all these pieces, like separate stages of a scrunchie, I thought I would explain to you guys.
The stages of a scrunchie. So the first step was my fabric supplier sent me this little sample and they're like, hey Tina, I think this would be cool as a scrunchie. So then that is when I, is this good lighting? Put up on my story this story and was like, hey, do you guys think this would be a cool XXL scrunchie? Would you wear it? And you voted like a insane amount of votes that I've never had on a poll before. So all for this cute little, since you guys really wanted this scrunchie and you guys helped me decide to actually make it into an XXL scrunchie, I put up a vote so you guys could help me name the scrunchie. So I did a first vote requesting different types of names. So Iris was the goddess of the rainbow and the messenger of the Olympian gods. So that one was a huge request. So based off all the answers that you guys gave me, I put up 2 different polls. And then the winners of those 2 different polls put up for like a final vote. And then Iris was the winner. So I'm super excited that you guys helped me name this XXL scrunchie. It makes it so much more special and so much more fun that you guys are involved in helping me. Like, this is why I love doing XXL scrunchies and this is why I love naming them. People often ask, why do you name them? And like, now you guys can experience how fun it is, right? Anyways, back to the point of this. First step is getting the fabric. Check. And then second step is cutting the fabric into our strips.
So close to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I almost dropped them. Okay.
What a horrible video.
Is it too bright in here now?
No, it's good.
Oh.
Well, I like it. I don't know if this is actually good for.
So this is huge, guys, because we make XXL scrunchies. And look how cute this is! So that is the second step. After we get the fabric, we cut the fabric. And we cut like a lot. Like my mom like went to work. Like this is probably like 50 here and I've sewn at least like maybe 8 to 10 of these giganto piles. And there's another pile up there. Can you see it? That's just as big as this. And then after that, you guys see me sewing those like long strips into these. They look like socks, but I sew them into these tubes. So step 3 is Scrunchie Tubes. Scrunchie Tube! Scrunchie Tube. Whoa. Scrunchie Tube. So I sewed them like this and then there's like a hole here still. I leave a hole because then the team, we elastic the scrunchie. So elasticing the scrunchie has been Cindy.
Cindy's here! It's raining.
It's raining a lot.
like moving.
The first one. The battery's dying. It's flashing, hurry! Oh my gosh.
Oh, I didn't.
First one. Dun, dun, dun. Ow. Only like 500 more to make. And Ashley's job. They take these things, the scrunchie tubes, home and elastic for me just because I need to sew. So I'm packing up 2 bins full of scrunchie tubes for Ashley to put elastic through because she's coming to pick them up very soon. I gotta bring them upstairs. My mom wanted to show you guys these noodles she's making, so let's watch.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
The noodle.
Whoa! So glad I have their help. And yeah, we do pre-measure it. I just memorize the measurement because I've done it for a year and a half straight every single day making scrunchies. And then I do a triple knot. We all do a triple knot. See how gross noise, I'm so sorry, but it's I can't stop making that noise. See how tight it is? You just triple knot if you sew it. I tried to do like a cool scissor thing. I cut the elastic. And then scrunchie. So Cindy and Ashley elastic them, which is I guess that's step 4, because step 1 is the swatches. Oh my god, my camera battery's gonna die. I get like pretty much a gigantic bin back to me so I can sew the last seam closed. And yeah, so these are the scrunchie steps, all in one photo. Hi guys, so I actually have like about 20 fully made Iris XXL scrunchies, and I will be donating some of them to the Rainbow Collective of Thunder Bay. My good friend Annalicia reached out to me to support her organization, and I'm more than happy to build and grow, empower all-inclusive and diverse community no matter gender or sexual identity, aimed at bringing businesses, schools, community service organizations, community leaders, and individuals together to proudly celebrate the rich and diverse gender and sexual diversity in Thunder Bay and Northwestern Ontario. So I'm super excited that a bunch of these will be going there, and yeah, thank you Annalicia. And now I gotta get, you guessed it, back to work. It's like day, I don't know, I think it's like the 10th day of only sewing Rainbow XXL scrunchies, and I feel like it's just like a never-ending rainbow thing happening here. But I kind of like it. Like, it looks really cute right now. What about with my glasses? You guys like it? Whoa. Okay, well that's the only update I have right now, because I have more scrunchies to sew.
You filming me? Oh, we got Marlin ordered. Love that.
What do you get?
Let's see. 4 items.
Ooh, I want the cha-ching to